Are you tired of struggling with clunky video editing software that just doesn't deliver? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the top video editing software of 2024 that'll take your editing skills to the next level. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone looking to make amazing videos, you've clicked on the right video. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the best video editing software of 2024, highlighting their key features, pros and cons, and what makes them stand out. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's kick things off with our first pick, Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a classic choice that continues to dominate the editing scene. Premiere Pro offers a robust set of features, including advanced color grading, multi-camera editing, and seamless integration with other Adobe products like After Effects and Photoshop. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, while its powerful tools cater to professional filmmakers. However, it does come with a subscription fee, which can be a drawback for some users. Next up, we have DaVinci Resolve. This software is renowned for its exceptional color correction capabilities. It combines editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post-production in one package, making it a one-stop shop for video creators. The best part? There's a free version that offers a lot of features, so it's perfect for beginners or those on a budget. However, the learning curve can be steep for those who are new to video editing. Our third contender is Final Cut Pro X. If you're a Mac user, this is a fantastic option. Final Cut Pro is known for its magnetic timeline, making it super easy to edit without having to deal with complex layering. It also offers powerful features like 360-degree video editing and advanced audio editing tools. The one-time purchase price can be a bit high, but many users feel the investment is worth it for the powerful capabilities that come with it. Last but not least, let's talk about Filmora. This software is perfect for beginners who want to create professional-looking videos without the hassle. Filmora offers a range of easy-to-use features and a library of effects, transitions, and music tracks. It's budget-friendly, but it doesn't skimp on quality. However, some advanced users might find it lacks certain features they need for in-depth editing projects. To recap, we've explored 4 fantastic video editing software options for 2024. First, Adobe Premiere Pro offers a powerful suite for all levels of creators. Next, DaVinci Resolve shines with its top-notch color grading and free version. Third, Final Cut Pro X is a Mac favorite with its user-friendly magnetic timeline. And finally, Filmora is perfect for beginners seeking quality without breaking the bank. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We're here to bring you more tech tips and tutorials. In our next video, we'll dive into essential video editing techniques that will elevate your content even further. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.